Modern vehicles are rolling data centers. 100M plus lines of code, cloud connectivity, and OTA updates expand attack surfaces. Perimeter defenses fail. Once gateways are breached, threats move laterally through critical systems. Sasken's embedded IDPS, real-time security inside your vehicle's brain, monitoring every touchpoint. Deep packet inspection, runtime memory protection, system call monitoring, forensic logging, and OTA policy tuning. All compliant with ISO 21434 and UNECE R155. Real-time threat visibility, micro-segmentation, and low-latency response co-located with critical assets. Stopping spoofing, exploits, and anomalies across IVI, Telematics, ADAS, and OTA systems. Trust Sasken. Deployment-ready IDPS with compliance support. Secure your vehicles. Reach out today.